I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and this video is to demonstrate a standard wheel and tire setup for all 99 to 04 Mustangs using an 18 by 9 inch wheel and a 275/35R18 tire. Now in this video, I plan to go over what a standard setup is, fitment in the wheel well area, who this setup might be ideal for, and finally what to expect when driving with this setup on your Mustang. First things first, a standard or square wheel setup on a Mustang is when you use the same size wheel and tire on all four corners, as opposed to going with a staggered setup where those rear wheels and tires are going to be slightly wider than the front wheel and tires. Now the standard setup of an 18 by 9 inch wheel along with a 275/35R18 tire is ideal for those of you who want to keep a more factory-like stance and properly rotate their tires in the traditional sense, which is not possible if you're running a staggered setup. Driving with this particular standard setup, you can expect to maintain stock-like handling characteristics with no rubbing issues, and this setup will ideally fit all 99 to 04 Mustangs, of course with that factory suspension, or even cars that are lowered up to 2 inches. The standard setup of an 18 by 9 inch wheel along with that 275/35R18 tire is very popular with our customers, as you can see from these customer submitted images. Now if you do decide to purchase a set from AmericanMuscle.com, we make it very easy for you to get these on your Mustang. You can choose to have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you. Now to ensure proper installation of these new wheels, we do recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 1/2 inch by 20 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes in most aftermarket wheels. Again, you can find those here on the site if you are interested. Then at that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your ride in no time. Of course, if you have any more questions about this setup for your ride, you can always reach out to our customer service team to speak with one of our many wheel and tire specialists. As always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here so you can see more videos like these and a ton of other product reviews and install videos right here at AmericanMuscle.com.